In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a business email using Zoho Mail step by step. This process is crucial for those looking to professionalize their email communication, leveraging a reliable and feature-rich platform like Zoho Mail. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident and prepared to complete the setup. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. As you arrive at the home page, your initial focus should be on locating the business email section. This is critical as it's specifically tailored for business needs, offering features that are suitable for professional communication and management. Once you've found the business email section, you'll see an option to choose the business email account. Click on this checkbox to get started. It signals your intention to create a business email, separating it from personal account setups. Next, it's time to input your desired username. This will form the initial part of your new business email address, so choose something professional and representative of your business identity. Think carefully about this, as it's what future email recipients will see at first glance. Following the selection of your username, you'll be prompted to enter your existing email or phone number. This contact detail is important for account verification purposes and acts as a security measure to ensure safe access to your account in the future. After that, create a strong password for your new business email account. A good password is typically a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Remember, the stronger your password, the more secure your email account will be from unauthorized access. With your password set, you'll find a checkbox to agree to the terms of service. It's always a good practice to read the terms so you know what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable, click this checkbox to confirm your agreement. You're now ready to move on to the final step, clicking the Sign Up button. Doing so submits all your entered information, formally creating your new business email account with Zoho Mail. At this stage, Zoho might send a verification link to your provided email or a code to your phone number. Make sure to check for this and finalize the setup by confirming your details. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your business email using Zoho Mail. This new setup will enhance your professional communication efforts, providing a secure and efficient platform designed for business needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and happy emailing. Itzida.